The other side is mounted the same way. Pass the lamp cord through the round hole in plate 20. Connect the light wires to each other. Unscrew the screws. Place the black spacer on the tightening side of the part. Fastening screw. Tighten the screws after pushing the glass into the part. The other door is installed in the same way. Pull out the guide rails. Place the drawer in the rail. Congratulations on completing the installation.